Hi everyone, Tam's here. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. This is a quick and short video popping in this month to do something a little different. A couple of weeks ago during my tea chat for the end of August, at the end of that video I did share, and I'll put a picture in here, I shared a pin board that I had made to go along with my owl post theme for September and October. And I shared a couple of little pins that I had ordered and placed on the board, and it went over quite well. So I had quite a bit of interaction on Instagram about it, and I have been ordering some more pins. So today, well, first of all, check out my mug. Isn't this adorable? This was a gift. Good Lord. So cute. Today what I'm going to do is a quick unboxing of pin mail, owl post theme pin mail. So let's get started. First up is an Etsy store called Hella Bella. Cute packaging. I really like this way this outlet that artists can take their designs, turn them into pins, and then create their own little business on Etsy or their own website or what have you. So it's a great way to support small businesses and artists. These things aren't that much money. I love pins, so I'm quickly falling down this rabbit hole. So this is quite a bit of fun for me. So I appreciate you indulging me in this and for asking for a little bit more information on the pins. So again, this one is from Hella Bella Etsy store. I bought these with my own money, FYI. No one knows I'm doing this. No one asked me to do this, but I'm just sharing more information about what I'm doing here. So check this one out. Super cute. Hedwig in the sky. The next one is from Japan, from another Etsy shop called Ren Ren Pins. I love this. Oh, this is Hedwig, all packaged up with all of Harry's suitcases, and he's ready to go off to Hogwarts. So cute, so darn cute. Okay, so the next one is from another Etsy shop called Sugar Cubed Studios. So let me show you. She actually put a card in hers. And this is Hedwig wearing a Ravenclaw scarf. By the way, yes, I took the test a couple of times and I always get the same house. I'm a Ravenclaw. There you go. Okay, saving the best for last, or not the best, but the biggest for last, because I ordered more than one pin from this particular shop. This is from a shop called Utterly Magic. Now, she has her own website, and she also has her own Patreon channel. She has created something that is pretty cool and right up my alley, but I'm not in her club. You can do this through Patreon, or you can just order directly off her site. And she has created something called the Owl Post Club. And each month, Hedwig, there's a new design of Hedwig flying in a new item. So here I ordered the acceptance letter, because if you're into snail mail and you like Harry Potter, you gotta have the acceptance letter. And the second one I ordered was, okay, do you know what that is? If you're a Harry Potter fan, that is the Howler letter. And for those of you that do not know about Harry Potter, the Howler is a letter you can send that will speak. You can record your voice and it will speak to the recipient. And there's a very fun scene that a lot of people love where Ron receives a howler from his mother and he gets scolded for stealing the family car. So anyway. So that's it. I know this video is short and sweet. I did want to share this with you because several people did ask me about it. I have more pins coming in because clearly I have a problem and I have fallen down this rabbit hole. It's something that I'm indulging in for the month of September and also October, because I just love owl posts this time of year. If you are interested in learning more or seeing more of my pen collection, please let me know. I'll be happy to share it with you. But otherwise, I'll be back with another tea chat soon. So thanks so much for indulging me tonight, and I'll see you later. Bye.